Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Dr. Sandeep Walia, Head of the Department, University Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management, Chandigarh University. Today we are going to discuss the module Airport Lounges, Importance and Types under the paper Aviation Industry, Ticketing and Frontier Formalities. After completing this module, the students will be able to understand the meaning and concept of airport lounges. They will also understand the facilities provided in airport lounges. They will know about the various types of lounges services provided at airports. They will understand about various types of airport lounges. They will also be aware about how to access airport lounges and about Visa Airport Access Program. They will also know about the priority pass and importance of airport lounges. Dear students, to meet the quality needs of business class and first class passengers, airline companies or airline carriers offer a complete delighted experience not only in the air but also on the ground services. Luxurious lounges at the airports provide very relaxing and enjoyable experience to the passengers in this regard. Due to highly competitive aviation business, now ground services are also playing a very important role where operators can provide best lounges and other services in order to compete in the market. To enhance the customer experience at airports during check-in, baggage handling, security check, airport lounges play very vital role in building the brand value of airlines in the customer's mind. The cost-effective methods have been adopted by the airline to provide quality services to its passengers and to enhance customer experience at the airports. A number of facilities have been provided to the customers at airport lounges, including beverages, snacks, TV channels, periodicals, games, spa facilities, meeting rooms and fitness centers, etc. to make customers satisfied. The airline companies provide proper passenger handling services at the airport lounges. Technically, airport lounges play a very important role in providing modern amenities in lounges and give best traveling experience to the passengers. In the present module, we shall be discussing about such amenities and facilities provided by the airline carriers at the lounges at the airports. Let us take first airport lounges. Airport lounges may be defined as the specialized sitting area in the airport where passenger can sit, relax, enjoy refreshments and other services including beverages, enjoying playing games, snacks and can read books, periodicals, etc. A specified room in an airport where first class, business class passengers can listen to music, relax, enjoy drinks while waiting for their flight is known as first class lounge. Airport lounge is a hospitality facility not only for VIPs but also for all kinds of passengers. It offers very comfortable seating, better facilities, free from busy environment of airport. Specially hired professionals, handling agents will assist passengers during check-in, security check and baggage handling procedures, etc. It also provides passengers about the flight information. A number of facilities are provided by airport lounges including private meeting rooms, Wi-Fi with laptop access, free beverages and snacks and other services too. The first airport lounge was the American Airlines Admirals Club at New York City and LA Garudia Airport in the year 1939. Generally, the economic class passengers use lounges through pay-per-use day passes or through membership methods. Passengers are required to book airport lounges in advance for the busy large flights. They can book airport lounges just before 24 hours of the departure of the scheduled flight and can also book lounges by using pay-per-use method at lounge entrance on the same day. Lounges are not only for VIPs but also for all kinds of passengers. Let us now discuss about the facilities. Following are the main facilities provided at the airport lounges to its passengers. Airport lounges provides very comfortable seating for its passengers. Beside that, free beverages included alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages along with snacks. For example, tea, coffee, cappuccino, juice, beer, fruit, cheese, soup, muffins, almonds, soft drinks, water, beer, wine, vodka and other breakfast items. In North America, open bar facility is provided in number of lounges where imported beer, wine, high-end wines and champagne are available for purchase also. Other facilities that airport lounges provide to its passengers include TV with number of channels, newspapers, periodicals, magazines, Wi-Fi with laptop access, etc. For business clients, special business desk is there to cater the needs of clients. Facilities like photocopying, scanning, fax are being provided. Private meeting rooms with projectors, writing pads, internet workstations, food and beverage service is also provided to meet the needs of the meeting partners. In Asia and Europe, lounges are very luxurious, providing satisfied services to its premium clients. Special bar is there with imported wines and champagnes, cold buffet meals, cigar rooms, spa arrangements are there, fitness centers are there so guests can better enjoy services before and after the flight, arrival and departure. Shower rooms, private cabins are also there. For recreational purposes, various games are there like pool tables, snooker, etc. For children, also number of game stations are installed to provide better experience. Students, let us now discuss about the types of lounge services provided at Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru. They have been further differentiated into number of ways. The first is above ground level lounge service. Above ground level lounge, the passenger is provided with a relaxed and calm atmosphere, very pleasant environment with a luxurious seating to make the journey of guest fatigue free. The design of this lounge is traditional with modern ambience facilities. The services offered by above ground lounges are buffet, whether continental, Indian or Asian dishes, wide variety of beverages from tea, coffee, juice and soft drinks, special provisions for high tea, complimentary beer cans, for example 330 ml Kingfisher premium beer, free Wi-Fi or high-speed Wi-Fi for the use of customers, newspapers, magazines, periodicals, TV with popular channels, etc. Facilities like business center facilities with the modern facilities of printing, fax and scanning machines, private meeting cabin rooms, charging slots for laptops, mobiles, tablets, etc. Then the second one is the Plaza Premium Lounge. It is specially designed to get away from the crowd and bustling environment of the airport, to get relaxed and peaceful atmosphere. Then the next one is the type of airport lounges. The first one is the airline lounges. These lounges are special lounges which serve to its premium passengers or those passengers who are flying in first class and business class. Airline lounges facilities are also provided to frequent flyers in order to build airlines brand value. Booking of airline lounges can be done advance with some additional charges. Major airports have one or more lounges in order to serve their clients better and make their journey more comfortable and relaxing. For example, major United States airlines like Delta, Sky Club, American Admirals Clubs operates number of lounges in their respective hubs, while small airlines operates few lounges like Alaska. Most of the countries outside North America and Australia give lounge access to premium class passengers or to the frequent flyers only. North America and Australia generally do not sell lounge memberships. If passengers take lounge membership, then they can have access to lounge features of Alliance Airlines also. For example, Qantas Club membership gives access to Air Canada and Air New Zealand as well as All Star Alliance memberships lounges. The next one is the pay-per-use lounges. These type of lounges are for any traveler who is traveling through airline by paying a particular fee. In this class of ticket, it is not considered not necessary to be a business class or a first class or a premium class passenger. Any traveler can have access to lounge subject to the payment of the particular fee. Day passes are also there. Besides that, yearly or lifetime memberships are also provided by some of the airlines. Lounges can be booked online or through mobile apps. Popular app for lounge booking is Lounge Buddy app. Clients can pay money via online mode using their credit or debit cards. Passenger can also purchase one-day lounge pass directly at the lounge entrance. Most common example of pay-per-use lounges is Aspire lounges at Swissport and Plaza Premium Lounge. Let us now take on first class airline lounges. First class lounge is offered to premium passengers or two-tier passengers or first class passengers with modern amenities in order to take complete care about the passenger's comfort and valuable experience at the airport. These are more exclusive lounges and generally more amenities are offered than that of the business class. First class passengers can also enjoy business class lounge if they want to. Number of airlines provides arrival lounges for first class passenger after long haul international flights so that the passenger can enjoy the lounge facilities during the hectic schedule of their long flights. Lounges access. Passengers can have access to lounges by several ways. One of the ways is to take yearly or lifetime membership, which is the very popular method among premium class passengers. This method is popular in countries like Canada, United States, Australia, etc., where in Asia and Europe discount is provided to the frequent flyer passengers. Most of the airlines allow its first class or business class passengers to have free access to lounges during their arrival. Pay-per-use lounges are available for all kinds of travelers. They can book lounges at the lounge entrance also by paying that particular fees. Several passes are also there for lounge access for 1 year or lifetime etc. with the annual fees. Number of cards offers lounge programs to its members. For example, American Express Platinum and Centurion Card, Dinners Club International Card, etc. Let us now take on ways to access a lounge. There are a number of ways to access a lounge. Some of the popular are as follows. Buy a first class or a business class ticket. This is the most easy and convenient way to access the airport lounge. Most of the airlines give access to separate luxurious lounges to its first class or business class passengers with free beverages services. Generally, international first class passengers can bring one guest for free and can have access to the first class or the business class lounges. Whereas international business class passengers can have access to business class lounges only with no free guest allowed. Domestic first class passengers can bring one guest for free with first class or business class access, whereas domestic business class passengers have access to business class lounge only with no free guest. To an elite flyer passenger. To elite status passengers within airlines, either silver or gold or equivalent categories or the classes, the passengers can have access to the lounges. The next one is the pay for airport lounges or buy membership for it. Passengers can access to airport lounges by paying for it or either buys memberships for 1 year or for lifetime. Generally, memberships are costlier, but there are special sales offers on memberships which makes it less expensive to buy. Many airlines also sell day passes which are cheaper mode to access airport lounges but not efficient one. Get credit card that offers lounge access. There are a number of credit card travel-oriented companies which gives passengers access to airport lounges. Annual fee varies from one company to another. For example, US Airway Club and Delta Sky Club is the popular one. The premium credit cards are the most popular one. The premium credit cards are the most popular one than other several cards with low annual fees and give passengers access to airport lounges. Additional options to access airport lounges. Buy a pass in advance. If passengers buy a pass before they are at lounge, they can access airport lounge at cheaper rates. The next one is the buy lounges passes from other travelers. Buying passes from other passengers is also the cheaper mode to access the airport lounges. The next one is the go to other lounges at the airport. There are a number of lounges at airport. Passengers need to access them, which are providing facilities at low rates. Some lounges are premium class, providing shower facility, fitness center, spa arrangements, while others only provide better sitting arrangements with refreshment. By using Visa Airport Lounge Access Program. In India, passengers can access to airport lounge by using Visa Infinite or Visa Signature Card or Business Platinum or Corporate Platinum Card. Passengers can enhance a travel experience by enjoying comfortable seats, music, internet access and beverages, etc. Food and beverages services include tea, coffee, snacks, hot and cold snacks from buffet and alcoholic drinks unlimited. The other facilities include luxurious sitting area, exclusive washrooms, LCD TV, free Wi-Fi. Additional charges may be there for other F&B services, spa facilities or massage services. Number of Indian lounges are participating in Visa Airport Lounge Access Program. For example, Plaza Premium Lounge, New Delhi, Clipper Lounge, Mumbai, Mumbai Airport Lounge, which is also abbreviated as MALS in capital letters, Travel Club, Chennai, Plaza Premium Lounge, Bengaluru. Dear students, let us now discuss about the concept of Priority Pass. Priority Pass gives passengers to access to around 600 lounges across the globe, whereas membership gives passengers access to single carrier airport lounge. Priority Pass membership is accepted around 300 cities in the world and gives passengers access to airport lounges spread across the globe, providing complimentary beverages, snacks, Wi-Fi access and gives passengers crowd-free and calm environment. Meeting rooms or conference rooms and computer terminals are available at the number of lounges. Membership level at Priority Pass. It sells 3 types of memberships, depends on the budget of the passenger. Standard, that start from $27 per person, member or the guest. The next one is the Standard Plus, that is a sum of $249. 10 free visits are there in this, after that $27 per person. The third one is the Prestige, which costs around $399, unlimited free access to Priority Pass Lounge for the entire year. Guests can access at a rate of $27 per person per visit. Let us now discuss ways to obtain the Priority Pass membership. Rather than paying, Reward Point is one of the best way to obtain Priority Pass membership. For Marriott Reward Points are as follows. Standard, the reward points is 20,000. For Standard Plus, the reward points will be 55,000. For Prestige, the Marriott points are above 85,000. Let us now discuss about the importance of airport lounges. A well-designed sitting area for airline passengers give them a sense of comfort, calm, peaceful environment from the hectic and crowded environment of the airport. During check-in procedure, baggage handling and security check, etc., passengers has to wait in the long queues, which makes them irritated and stressed. To make the journey of passenger more enjoyable and stress-free, airport lounges play a very important role. Over the past couple of years, aviation industry and different air carriers are working very hard to create a new brand experience in order to retain customer loyalty. With the increasing competition, also number of facilities are provided at airport lounges to its clients with modern ambience and luxurious sitting arrangements. Besides providing basic facilities like sitting arrangements, free Wi-Fi beverages, snacks, TV magazines and periodicals, etc., more efforts are put to provide proper fitness centers, spa and massage facilities, shower facilities, meeting rooms, conference rooms, movie theater, shopping facilities and sleep rooms. Emphasis is also on beautiful scenery views like that in Swiss airport lounges, restaurant with terrace view, etc. Airport lounges are very important for the airlines also because over the past year, huge revenue is coming from airport lounges. Nowadays, all kinds of passengers, whether VIP, economic passengers, all need better services and want to make their journey more relaxing, enjoyable and stress-free. Various marketing strategies are adopted by the airlines in order to sell airport lounge packages, yearly memberships or lifetime memberships in order to build the clients. Airport lounges provide great travel experience, specially hired professional staff for check-in, baggage clearance and baggage handling procedure, etc. An upper bar in the VIP lounges, premium cabins and sleep rooms attracts the passengers rather than waiting in the crowded area. Passengers prefer to sit in a calm and relaxed environment. World's best airport lounges are of the following airlines: Virgin Airlines, Emirates Airlines, Iberia Airlines. Following are the main reasons why airport lounges are important. To get peaceful or quiet and comfortable sitting area. Airport lounges offer peaceful, crowd-free sitting arrangements with very comfortable chairs, leg space, large screen TVs. Number of airport lounges offers free local calls also. Good stock of national and international newspapers and magazines is also there. The second one is to get some work done there. Lounges are great to get your work done. One can make presentation, check emails or Facebook. Lounges give passengers access to internet with computer power sources where they can charge their laptops, etc. The next one is to get the personal assistance. Passenger handling agents are there in airport lounge who helps passengers in fast check-in, assist them in baggage handling, changing seat assignments, etc. Let us discuss about the arrival recovery. On arrival of the flight, passengers can access airport lounges which specially cater to the needs of arriving passengers. Airport lounges provides refreshing drinks, provides facilities like clothes, ironing services and exclusive shower facilities so that they can feel relaxed and stress-free after the arrival of the flight. The next one is the noxious and the beverages. One of the main features of airport lounge is spread of noxious. It includes variety of nuts, pretzels, crackers and open air bar with beer and wines. Here we can access the popular variety of wines, soft drinks, etc. Some airport lounges also prepare hot snacks. Airport lounges spread across the world. That means they have worldwide network. Airport lounges membership gives passengers access to number of lounges and other members of the same alliance. For example, with Priority Pass, one can have access to lounges in more than 300 cities worldwide. For example, Cathay Pacific also operates one of the best lounges in the world, which is famous for its signature noodle bar. Qantas airport lounges are also very famous. One World Lounge in Singapore is the most popular one. Dear students, let us now summarize what we have discussed in this module. Aviation industry and airline carriers are continuously putting efforts to make passengers' journey more comfortable and enjoyable. For this purpose, modern ambience airport lounges are built to cater the needs of its all kinds of passengers. In airport lounges, luxurious and comfortable sitting arrangements are provided where passenger can relax, enjoy music and sit calmly away from the noisy, crowd-free environment of the airport. Passengers can also enjoy spa arrangements, shower facilities, fitness centers to utilize their time in better way rather than just wasting for the flight uselessly. Handling agents are there who provides information regarding flight information. Beverage services with breakfast buffet also there with certain amount of charges. Annual and lifetime memberships are also provided for use of airport lounges. Frequent flyers, economic passengers all can have access to the airport lounges to make their traveling experience more enjoyable and stress-free. Airport lounges are very important and is a sign of business blooming generally to high-value customer from smaller airport to larger. Carriers, airport lounges are important to passengers. Airport lounges are also very useful to retain in the competitive market. With these words, I sum up this module. Thank you.